Hello again, cruelty-free fam. Welcome back to Raw Reviews. So today I'm finally reviewing my January Allure bag. I have obviously several months to catch up on, so you guys might see a lot of these videos soon. And in this, some of them are going to be in this type of style because kind of bags like these are mostly like skincare or like there's a nail polish in here. But others I can do try-ons and stuff like that depending on what you guys want. But I really just wanted to get these products moved along and put somewhere rather than just sitting and not getting any use. So please join me for my first unboxing and maybe kind of review of the Allure subscription. So I get mine through Amazon. I just find it easier to cancel and resubscribe that way if necessary or anything like that. And my bag actually came broken, so we're going to pull some stuff out here. And then I went ahead and added up everything, and I have, because I'm trying to do something where I actually see what I'm getting, how much it's worth, and if I'm putting any of these items to use. So I have a whole notebook over here that I'm going to show you guys at the end that I have gone through. So let's get us started. So most of them seem to come with this see-through bag, which isn't bad, but it's cheap and plasticky, and it broke in transit. So I'm honestly probably just going to recycle this because I have no use for it. Okay, next we have the NCLA lacquer in Call My Agent. Let's move you guys over here where you're not taking up the spotlight. Okay, here we go. NCLA in Call My Agent, which is a hot pink, cruelty-free, which I'm super excited about. And I actually really like this color. I think it's really cool, especially for spring and summer. I like that hot pink style, especially because it annoys my boss at work. So that definitely adds to my pleasure in wearing colors like this. So I'm super excited. I've never tried anything from NCLA. So like I said, I'm super excited to add this to my collection, and I'll definitely have to show a pic on Instagram or something like that when I finally get to wear this. So this is, according to either my Google search or Allure, it's worth $16. So right there, I pay $15 a month for this. That's worth more than the bag. So I'm already pleased right there. Next, we have the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. Let's see. Advanced Strength Retinoid Serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into the skin. Oh wow, that's a lot. So I've never used a retinoid product. Directions: apply at night to clean skin. I actually just placed an order with Sephora for the VIB sale, and I actually picked this as my free sample thingy. Sorry, my hands are shaky. I had coffee right before this. So I kind of want to gather, I think I have another one of these perhaps. So I kind of want to gather them and put them all together. So when I do use them, I have more than just a sample to see what it actually does to my skin. Sunday Riley is also cruelty-free, and I put down that this is $22. I don't know if that is for the full size or if that's what I priced out for this size, which is 0.27 fluid ounces. So cool, I'm excited for that. And of course, next we have the beloved Sunday Riley CEO Glow Vitamin C plus Turmeric Face Oil. With advanced vitamin C, THD ascorbate, turmeric, and evening primrose oil to brighten, hydrate, and glow. So I've heard so many good things about this, and I actually, for this month, I haven't really been using my vitamin C too much from The Ordinary. I don't feel like it meshes with my skin that well, But this is supposed to be like number 2 on the list of vitamin C oils for your skin. So I think I'm actually going to replace that vitamin C with this vitamin C and see what that does for my skin in the morning. So I'm super excited for that. And since this is actually full size, it's worth $40. That is obviously, so you pay $15 and you get a $40 product. That blows my mind. I am so happy and amazed. Let's see. Next, oops, sorry about that. Next was the Duce Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in 405 Winterberry. This is my shade, y'all. Look at that. That's me. That is beautiful and amazing and exactly what I want. Like, I'm super excited. It's cruelty free. It's worth $22. I think this was full size as well. So I'm super excited to play with that some more. So next was the Mally Evercolor Shadow Stick Extra in Burnished Bronze. Unfortunately, I could not ensure their cruelty-free status, so I went ahead and gave that away to one of my friends who I felt would actually use it more. And she doesn't really wear eyeshadow that much, but I thought that with a stick like that where she could just rub it on and then move along, it would be easier for her. So I went ahead and skipped that. That was $25 because I believe that was a full-size stick. Next is the, oh God, I don't know how to say this. I should have checked that. Uai Hair Care Scalp and Body Scrub. I'm not reading all that. Refine, yes I am. Refine and treat overworked skin and hair with this foaming probiotic coconut oil infused scrub featuring gentle exfoliating sugar crystals. Okay, so this is, I priced this out to $4.75. Which means I should have written what the full size was. So 1 ounce is worth $4.75. So maybe they normally get more. I'm always down to try cruelty-free products that I've never tried before. This is a scalp and body scrub. So at first I just thought it was a scalp scrub. I didn't realize it was a body scrub at first. I'm always down to try this, especially like on my knees and stuff like that. My scalp probably could use it too. Yeah, definitely excited to finally try that. And then the last but not the least, the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. So I priced this out to $12. This is gratify your hair with rich, high-potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. Use it. Massage through wet hair. Let penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse well. Use weekly or daily. Avoid contact with eyes. Use weekly or daily. I like that. I have been all about hair masks lately. I got one in the winter box from FabFitFun, and I just fell in love with it. It came in that big brown tub, and I've just, oh my God. I try and use it just once a week, maybe twice a week. I got a Shea Moisturizer, Shea Moisture hair mask recently, and now this. I'm super excited to try this. So I will add this to my hair mask pile. Okay, and that was everything that came in the box that I kept. So I went ahead and like put a little swatch of what the nail polish looks like. So it looks more red here because the light is wonky, but I promise you it is a bright, bright pink. As you can see, so after adding everything up, it was worth $141.75. And I believe that includes the $25 Mally Everclear shadow stick that I didn't include, that I didn't, end up keeping. But either way, that Sunday Riley CEO Glow was $40. That little thing of retinoid serum was $22. The NCLA Lacquer was $16. And then just under $5 for that scalp and body scrub. I don't know why. I was sick when I did all this too. That's when I had the flu and everything like that. So I'm kind of was out of my mind a little bit. And then the mask by itself was $12. So all of that, and all I did was pay $15. I am absolutely pleased. So in love with this, and I'm excited to open the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.